Thank you. Hey guys, I'm gonna unbox September 2018 Paradise Fiber, only it's not in a box. And my husband's right there, so. Okay, he's going outside. Okay, now we're alone. So for once, I have my crap together. I've blacked out my address. I have the scissors. I never have my crap together. So something else will definitely go wrong, but it won't matter because here we all are together. I'm pretty sure I read that this is a back to school theme, and I'm really unboxing it in front of you, and I'm really gonna tell you what I think. And I know there are a few people who are like, she always loves everything. That's true, I do, because this is like a present. I didn't want to show you before I got it out of the bag, but you guys, this is like a little one of those string backpacks for this month because back to school. Isn't that cute? I love these string back. Is there another word for these? I don't know. Our kids just call them like the string backpacks. I'd be interested to hear if there's like a technical term for these, but it's like, it feels like nylon. It has Eunice on it, obviously, and I'm going to a couple retreats coming up, so I'm going to take this with me because it's like perfect for a kind of like medium-sized project, or 2 sock bags, you know. If you're like me and you always have like 3 different sock bags floating around your house that have socks in them. Here we go. I'm ready. There was tissue on the top. I don't smell anything. Sometimes they're scented. Usually that gets by me. But it's cute. Look at the chevrons. I love it. And here we go. So sometimes I rush because I get so excited, and I promise myself like this time I'm gonna be good and take my time. You know what? Usually there's like a little info sheet in here. Let me take it out. Okay. This is, ooh. Oh wow. All right, I'm just trying to find out what I'm looking at right now. This says 4 ounces total of 4 different colors in our recycled sari silk pulled roving, 1 ounce of each color. What colors did you get? So I believe that's what I'm opening right now. Oh, you guys, I need this. I got something coming up that inspired me, and this is perfect. So it's green, kind of like Kelly green, yellow. Can you see? Oh, I'm gonna bring it even closer. Look how pretty it is, and it's very soft. I'm loving that. Okay, so this is one of my sari silk pulled rovings. It says 1 ounce each color. So it's like crayons. All right. This looks like it's multicolor. Oh, look at it. I do not have any sari silk in my whole stash. I know that's like sacrilegious. It's weird. Look at that. Oh, pretty. So that's like a multicolor. Yes. Get out. Oh, look at That is gonna look crazy. Look at how beautiful that is. It just has a slight purple cast to it in the right light. It's a little bit bright right there, sorry. But at least for once I have enough light. And look at this one. If this one's not me, I don't know. This is me all over. Look at that. Gorgeous. It is so pretty. These colors are actually like glowing, kind of like jumping out at you, which is kind of my jam. I think we know that by now. All right. So with the back to school, we were getting also, oh, there's some stuff in here. So this is a, let's see, one washable Notion zipper pouch, but it's like a pencil bag. Remember those? 3 Sharpie markers, highlighters, because dyeing wool with highlighters is a September like lesson. Hi, why don't I put them all the same way? What do you think? So that's fun. I have so many markers, you guys. If I learn how to dye wool with markers, it's gonna blow my mind. I'm gonna actually take a picture of how many markers I own and show it to you because it's crazy. But I've been collecting them for years, so it kind of doesn't count. All right. Gum. Double bubble. I haven't seen this in a while. Talk about Halloween treat bag. They did another button. These went over big, I heard. So this is one limited edition chalkboard sheet pen. Cute. My other one, I don't know if this is gonna get good in, here we go. Oh, there we did it. Okay. It's on my bag that I use to carry my Hanson in. It's a normal backpack, like a big padded laptop carrying backpack. And I'm gonna have to find the perfect thing to put this on because they're cute. And you guys, she's like an apple for the teacher. And some gloves. Something, let me say, I don't use enough when I'm dyeing stuff. I am like that crazy person who always has like dye in their fingernails or whatever. So thank you for the gloves, Paradise Fibers. I feel like you know me too well. And there was something else. Oh, duh. Fun. All right, so this must be, I don't know, can you read it? It says, Llama tell you, great work. Cute. I really do appreciate all the little things that Paradise does to like appreciate their subscribers, because it feels like thought and effort goes into these subscription packages every month. And I believe that this is 4 ounces of undyed premium Cheviot, you tell me, wool. I feel like I've heard both pronunciations. I have spun it before, not Paradise's, but I have spun Cheviot, whatever before, and I love it. Look at, I wish you could feel it. I think the point is potentially to do the highlighter dyeing with this, but we will see what I do because I never know what I'm gonna do right away, except I do definitely know what I am gonna do with this, people. This is something that is like completely what I needed right now. So thank you guys, and thank you Paradise. I love my boxes. I'm not quitting anytime soon. Also, I have a video coming up where this is just like a little teaser. This is the combing waist. But I'm going to show you how I made this, how I got inspired, in the whole process. So I hope you guys will join me soon for that. I am excited about it. You can tell because I'm a crazy lady, and you can always tell I'm always excited about spinning anyway. Basically, if you can talk to me about spinning, I can be interesting, but if you want to talk to me about literally anything else, I have nothing to say. I hate to be like that, but it's the truth. So anyways, this was an amazing box, and I hope you got yours already, and I hope I didn't spoil it for you. If not, you're gonna enjoy it, I bet, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.